For photographers, filmmakers, and camera enthusiasts seeking the cream of the crop in modern lens engineering, we spotlight 10 of the top recent optics pushing creative possibilities. Whether you already own the most advanced gear or are looking to upgrade your arsenal, these lenses represent perfection in each category.
Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Starting with Sony, its 50mm f 1.2 GM prime lens sits at the apex of their premium G Master lineup, delivering truly elite optics packed into a remarkably portable design. Weighing just 1.7 pounds, the all-metal construction oozes quality with impressive weather sealing throughout. Images showcase gorgeous clarity, even when shooting wide open thanks to 3 specialized XA elements, precisely engineered to minimize distortion and chromatic aberration. A floating focus group maintains consistent sharpness at any distance, ideal for intimate close-up portraits or expansive landscapes. Beyond pure resolution, a circular 11-blade aperture renders ultra-smooth bokeh for subject isolation. Convenient manual override and responsive autofocus provide flexibility when inspiration strikes. For those seeking no-compromise standard lens performance in a highly transportable package, the 50mm f1 2GM represents the very best of Sony's technical ingenuity, distilled into a versatile prime lens suited for almost any shooting scenario. Next, we have Sony's revamped 70-200mm f 4G OSS telephoto zoom. This compact, lightweight lens packs updated optics and focus for enhanced utility across landscapes, portraits, sports, and macro photography. Nano AR2 coating reduces flare for improved contrast, while an extra low dispersion element and 2 aspherical elements ensure crisp clarity free from color fringing across the entire zoom range. A floating focus mechanism maintains consistent sharpness as close as 15.7 inches for detailed close-ups. Meanwhile, a linear response manual focus ring provides smooth, precise control. With a rugged dust and moisture-resistant design, this 580-gram lens offers incredible versatility for photographers needing extended reach plus macro capabilities for outdoor and travel shooting. Whether capturing candid moments from a distance or magnifying details of small subjects, the FE 70-200mm f 4G covers telephoto and macro needs in one high-performance package. For our next Sony lens, we have the Sony's FE 20-70mm f 4G zoom. Spanning ultra-wide 20mm views to a 70mm medium telephoto perspective, this versatile 3.5 times zoom excels as a lightweight one-lens solution. Advanced optics, including aspherical and ED elements, suppress distortion and fringing for impressive clarity from edge to edge across the frame. A quiet, responsive autofocus motor ensures sharpness on subjects near and far, while a customizable manual focus ring provides smooth override control. Videographers will also appreciate the quiet, consistent focus breathing and physical aperture ring for declicked f. For cinema shooting. At just 415 grams, this lens covers everything from sweeping vistas to detailed portraits with pro-tier image quality in a highly portable package. For Sony shooters needing top-class performance across a range of focal lengths, the FE 20-70mm f 4G delivers outstanding versatility in one compact design. Moving on to Nikon, its Pancake Prime 26mm f 2.8 lens packs impressive capabilities into a remarkably compact form. Weighing approximately 3.5 ounces, its slim profile stretches just over an inch long, creating an ideal pairing for Z-series mirrorless cameras. A fast f 2.8 aperture ensures beautiful background separation for portraits along with low-light versatility for dimly lit scenes. Quiet stepping motor autofocus drives rapid, accurate subject tracking, while a customizable control ring provides manual override. With an equivalent 39mm angle of view on Nikon DX APS-C models, street photographers will appreciate the comfortable wide perspective that encourages immersive storytelling. And with weather sealing throughout, the 26mm f 2.8 goes anywhere, from city streets to country trails. For Nikon Z shooters needing to travel light without sacrificing image quality or environmental protection, this tiny prime lens delivers incredible value, utility, and optical excellence across a variety of everyday shooting scenarios. Now, Nikon's APS-C shooters can capture expansive scenes with cinematic flair using the ZDX 24mm f 1.7 wide-angle prime. Weighing a mere 230 grams, the sleek metal design adds minimal weight while bringing weather-sealed durability. A bright f 1.7 maximum aperture delivers a creamy shallow depth of field for subject isolation while retaining low-light versatility. Videographers will appreciate the fast, steady-stepping motor autofocus, which reduces noise and focus breathing during recording. The customizable control ring provides a fluid manual override for creative adjustments on the fly. Whether vlogging city escapades or capturing atmospheric landscapes, this tiny 24mm prime lens empowers Nikon DX cameras with an affordable f 1.7 optics combining a gently wide perspective, creative control, and rugged build quality ideal for daily adventures. Enthusiasts needing more lens choices without increasing carry load should shortlist this impressive package. Coming up, Nikon's 70-180mm f 2.8 impresses as a lightweight zoom ready for every occasion. Weighing just 815 grams, the slim weather-sealed design transports easily while standing up to the elements. A bright f 2.8 aperture retains consistent exposure control throughout the zoom range for beautiful bokeh and low-light shooting. Dual focus groups ensure fast, quiet autofocus for sharp stills and smooth focus transitions when filming video or vlogging. With a 27 cm minimum focus distance, users can capture stunning macro-style close-ups of nearby subjects. At this approachable price point packed with pro-level features, the 70-180mm f 2.8 gives Nikon mirrorless shooters an affordable all-in-one telephoto zoom for portraits, events, travel, and more. Photographers and videographers needing extended framing versatility without sacrificing image quality or breaking the bank should shortlist this impressive optic. Now take a look at the Nikon's mirrorless portrait lineup, the Nikkor Z 85mm f 1.2 S lens, which delivers unrivaled optical brilliance. Constructed with exotic glass and nanostructure coatings, this robust prime lens renders images with sumptuous clarity, free of fringing and flaring, even when shooting wide open at f 1.2. A fast-stepping motor enables swift, quiet autofocus for tack-sharp stills and smooth video focus pulling. The intuitive manual focus ring provides direct linear control, tuned to the photographer's subtle adjustments. At 85mm, the classic focal length isolates subjects beautifully against softly blurred backgrounds, aided by the bright 12-blade f 1.2 aperture. Meanwhile, an L-Fen button allows customization of controls without changing the grip. For professional Nikon Z series creators pursuing the ultimate combination of resolution, bokeh, and focusing fidelity packed in a durable metal chassis, the Nikkor 85mm f 1.2S represents impressive optical performance. Portrait photographers simply deserve nothing less. From Canon, at first, we have the RF 24-50mm f 4.5. 6.3 is STM zoom lens, which packs surprising utility into a compact, lightweight form factor. Spanning wide landscape views to short telephoto framing for portraits, its versatile optics match well with both full-frame and APS-C R series cameras. Dual aspherical elements minimize distortion and fringing for impressive edge-to-edge clarity, while superspectra coatings nearly eliminate flaring for improved contrast. Complementing the optics, optical image stabilization offsets up to 3 stops of shake, ensuring sharper handheld shots. Smooth autofocus motors support both stills and video recording, and the STM focus motor operates quietly for unobtrusive video AF. For Canon mirrorless shooters needing an inexpensive protective daily driver lens, the 24-50mm f 4.5, 6.3 is STM Zoom delivers outstanding versatility in a tiny package at a truly affordable price. Next up on the list from Canon, we have the 15-30mm version of the previous Canon RF lens. Weighing a mere 305 g, the compact weather-resistant design offers lightweight performance for hiking and travel. Advanced optics suppress distortion across the extended zoom range, notable for an optic of this class and cost. Dual UD and aspherical elements nearly eliminate fringing and flaring for crisp results from corner to corner, aided by Canon's proprietary lens coatings. Complementing the stellar optics, optical stabilization counters shake, delivering sharpness when shooting handheld or in low light. Fast and virtually silent STM focusing motors support both stills and video recording, tracking subjects reliably across the frame. For Canon mirrorless shooters seeking top value, the 15-30mm f 4.5, 6.3 is STM. Wide zoom puts impressive optical performance and stabilization into a portable, protective body that out-delivers its accessible price tag. Finally, we have the pinnacle of Canon's RF lens lineup, the RF 135mm f1. 8L is USM. A telephoto prime achieves breathtaking image quality for portraits to products. Constructed using exotic glass including 3 UD elements, this robust lens renders images completely free of fringing and flaring, even when shooting wide open at f1.8. The bright aperture isolates subjects against deliciously creamy backgrounds, while a 5-stop optical stabilizer ensures tack sharpness for handheld shooting. Dual nano USM focus groups enable swift, silent autofocus, perfectly suited for stills or video work, with virtually zero focus breathing. Also, the custom buttons support advanced functionality to match professional expectations and workflows. For Canon creators pursuing uncompromising telephoto performance to elevate their work, the 135mm f1. 8L delivers impressive sharpness and advanced stabilization. So, we hope you found the perfect suggestion for yourself, and catch you guys in our next video.